In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and manage customers in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and keeping your customer records accurate and up to date is an essential part of that. Whether you're adding new customers, editing existing ones, or simply staying organized, this step-by-step guide will help you understand how to navigate the customer management features with ease. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, let's look at how to access your customer list. Begin by clicking on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. This is where you'll find all your main navigation options. From the menu, select the section labeled Customers and Leads. Once you're in this section, switch to the Customers tab. This tab will display a complete list of all your saved customer records, making it easy to view and manage them. Now, let's go over how to add a new customer. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled New Customer. Click on this button to open a form where you can input the details for your new customer. Here, you'll be asked to fill in some basic information, such as the customer's name, address, and contact information. Be thorough and make sure all required fields are completed. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save. The new customer will now be added to your list, ready for you to reference or work with whenever needed. Next, let's talk about editing an existing customer's information. Start by locating the customer you want to update. You can do this by scrolling through the list or by using the search feature to find them quickly. Once you've found the customer, click on their name to open their detailed profile. In the upper right corner of the profile, you'll see an Edit button. Click this to make changes to the customer's details. Modify any fields as needed, whether it's their contact information, address, or any other detail. When you've finished updating the information, click Save to ensure the changes are applied. Finally, it's important to manage your customer list regularly. Take time to review and update customer information as needed. This helps to keep your records current and ensures that your business operates smoothly. Keeping an organized and accurate customer list is key to maintaining good relationships with your clients and streamlining your workflows. And that's it. You now know how to add, edit, and manage customers in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.